Laban tayo sa ilalim ha. Guys, basta lang naiwanan eh.
Oo, pwede. Oo, mapatahan na.
May number naman sa shot eh, number 10.
Boss Pineda. Zero na lang yan, sir.
Hernandez.
Ayan. Ayan, pwede. Mapatahan na niya ito. Okay, ready? For protection, Liga. Number 20, careful. Bibangki. 58. Turnover. Laki. Turnover. Indeed, number 2. Nice pass to number 3, number. Nice shoot, right here. So Lucky. Wala pa. Offensive rebound, number 30. Number 3. Pass to number 18. Back to 58. Number 2, Aliu play. Tuloy. Assist 58. 2 points, number 2. Number 0 lang muna ito. Reyes. Ulaki. Shot attempt here. 3. No good, no. Number 30. To Reyes. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound, Lucky. Short. Opposite lang sila. Reyes, crossover, nice pass, nice play. Nice pull din, right? Hold on. Isa, 80 to number 26. Pass to number 2. Finish the ball to 58. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18, no good. Mamatay, number 2, wala pa rin. Outlet. Wala pa bumaba. Yes, go sa Lucky. 2 points. Rebound Reyes. Reyes pa rin. Reach out. Tama yung mga pagkabidol. Number 26. Number 3. Pula. 2 points. Deadlock. Exactly 7 minutes. Number 0. Dito lagi, Pak Zero. Zero. Oi, kill. Number 68. Number 26. Pasok itu datang pasangan. Wala. Offensive rebound number 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Reyes sa ulo. Kulati. Uy, the hook. Offensive rebound Reyes. Back Kulati. Pass number 1 for 3. Logo pa rin. Rebound number 2. Number 2. Wala offensive rebound number 3. Foul Soba. Kami berdoa. Foul number 1. First. Personal foul. First team foul. Number 68. To number 18. Baseline. Treta. Shooting foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. One point lead. First up. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Kulati. Number 0. Number 0 baik. Pak Kulati. Bapak Esai. 0. Steal. 68. Number 68. To number 3. Number 3. Short. Putawid. Ang inalit. Putawid.
Charge!
Ano ako na? Basket count. Sino yun? Number 20, number 0. Number 0, number 5. Number 5, to Reyes. Ganda na Reyes. Reyes, pull up. No good. Rebound, number 2. To number 18. To number 2, pass. Number. Okay, shot block 14 seconds. Okay. Game goals na, kalo na kayo sa winning table ha, kung magdasap kayo. Para kaya. Okay. Ikaw. Stop. Okay, kita na. Ano yung player? Shot clock 14 seconds. Number 0. Reyes. Nice pass. Number 1, 2 points. Assist Reyes. 2 points. Number 1. Number 68. Number 3. Carry shot. No good. Rebound Reyes. Back to number 1. 2 points. Back to number 1. Back to Reyes. Number 33. I got it. 68. 33. After number 1. Reyes. Pull up 3. Bang. 7-0 man. 3.3. Number 22, 2-1, drop shot. Number 0. Number 0, Ulati open. Bang! Number 3, Wala, offensive rebound, 14 lang possession. Number 68, Wala, 2 rebound. Number 0, 350, Ulati, Ulati, Piazol, rebound number 2, 58. Number 3, nice pass. 2 points, assist number 58. 2 points, number 3. There's that 5. Reyes. Oh, he foul. Coba. Right.
Gold.
Sige. Balik pa sa natin. Masih saya. 23, no good. Rebound number 12. 58. Lisa, 2 points. Balik ka naman. Jet contract. Reyes. Oh, foul.
Dalawa. Sure.
Wala. 145 seconds. One out of 2. Oh, 1.3. Number 3. Dari third shot. No good. Rebound 23.
Sige.
Number 23. Reyes, last corner 3. Bang! Two points, 23. There's the owner. Reyes. Back to Latin, game pass. Oh, wala. Rebound 16. Okay, 24 seconds. Number 68. Number 68. No good. Offensive rebound, 22. 2 points. Number 6. Guzman. Ulati. Back to Guzman. Number 6. Yung sa bola. 23 seconds to shoot. Steal. Number 12. To number 68. 68. 2 points. Oh, shot lang ako. 15 seconds. Reyes. Okay. 4. About 8 seconds. 5. Number 23. Wala. And the first quarter of 4.3. Yes, contract 23-19.
Pansa mo na. Maganda tayo iwan ko kay lahat. Isang pagkakabolo. Laban. Kasi nga rin sila nakakot natin. Bakit talaga namin ito?
Hindi sila masyado sinasalaksak perimeter lang yung ginagawa nila. Taas kamay tayo.
Sabayan mo yung cut ni Eko. Naiiwan yung big eh.